This isn't just a book sleeve, it transforms into a small tote bag. This beginner-friendly sewing project transforms into a cute book bag and small tote bag. It is perfect for books, journals, tablets, or everyday essentials. Let's sew this easy 2-in-1 book sleeve tote together. Apply the interfacing to the wrong side of the main fabric. Place the main fabric and lining fabric right sides together. Then sew along both short side edges. Trim any excess fabric to reduce bulk and create clean, professional seams. With the fabric wrong side out, sew along both long edges using a straight stitch. Leave a small turning gap so you can turn the piece right side out later. Turn it right side out, then press it flat with an iron for clean edges and a professional finish. Close the turning gap with a neat top stitch. With the lining side facing out, fold the fabric in half and sew both side edges to create the book sleeve. Mark the center and securely attach the button. Your DIY book sleeve is now complete. For a 2-in-1 design, attach a strap to each top corner to transform it into a stylish small tote bag. Don't let your fabric scraps go to waste. This easy DIY book sleeve and small tote bag is the perfect beginner sewing project. Check the pinned comment for my fabric scrap sewing projects playlist, packed with more easy sewing ideas, DIY tutorials, and creative ways to use leftover fabric. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, subscribe, and happy sewing.